Ano po ba yung nangyari sa kanya? Saan po siya na-transfer? And bakit hindi na po siya ma-reach?
Well, kaya mukhang kailangan kumilos agad, no, para makausap yung suspected Chinese spy na si Shi Zhejiang at mabunyag yung impormasyon niya ukol kay Guo Huaping at sa mga kasabwat pa nun. Because we've learned also from media sources that Shi, who's charged with illegally operating a casino, is currently unreachable and has been moved to a different facility, a different prison facility. Kung hindi agarang ikilos ang pamahalaan, mawawalan tayo ng pagkakataon na pag-aralan ng impormasyon na hawak ni Shi, lalo na yung koneksyon ni Guo Huaping at ng iba pang individual sa Ministry of State Security o ang Intelligence at Secret Police Agency ng China. So I am holding our Department of Foreign Affairs to its commitment during the last Senate hearing that it is urgently exhausting all diplomatic and legal channels to allow Philippine authorities, with the permission of Thai officials, to communicate with Shi. And given the serious or the possible serious implications to our national security, itong mga claims ni Shi, the failure in this effort is simply not an option here. We must protect our citizens both against criminals preying on women, children, and other vulnerable sectors and citizens, and foreign spies who are working to compromise our national security.
Opo, would you know, ma'am, kung yung pinag-transferan sa kanya is nasa Thailand pa rin?
We don't have firm information on that. Kaya talagang umaasa ako sa DFA to establish that fact and magbunga sana yung kung nakikipag-ugnayan na sila sa Thai officials para usap ng Philippine authorities natin si Shi.
Ano ang latest, ma'am, from DFA? Doon po sa sinabi nila na commitment nga to reach siya.
No update yet from DFA, but I'm sure updated na rin sila tungkol dito sa nabalitaan din namin through media ng paglipat kay Shi sa ibang prison facility. So umaasa talaga ako na yung urgency at saka yung exhaustion ng options ay nararamdaman nila at ginagawa nila.
How will this affect your investigation, ma'am, kung hindi po nga ma-reach, kung wala po tayong makuha from siya?
Kung wala man tayong makuha kay Shi by the time of our next and last hearing, at least in a way nag-hand over na kami sa executive at sa ating intelligence agencies na alamin itong mga seryosong posibleng implikasyon ng mga revelations so far ni Shi, no? Doon sa kanyang Al Jazeera interview at doon din sa Zoom interview na nagawa ng opisina ko kay Wang Fugue, yung naging dating kabilanggo niya at may hawak sa ilan sa mga importanteng files ni Shi, pati yung may kinalaman di umano kay Guo Huaping.
Okay, so kahit mag-end na ang Senate investigation, ma'am, the government should do its part naman to follow
Definitely.
up.
Yes, definitely. Even when the Senate investigation finally concludes, ang dami na pong napag-alaman ng ating executive at pati constitutional bodies tungkol dito sa kabuoang sordid tale of POGOs in the Philippines at partikular dito sa espionage angle na may mahalagang input din ang NICA, no, nung nakaraang hearing ay kayang at dapat lamang i-follow up at follow through ito ng gobyerno.